Attention passengers, this announcement is specifically for the ladies whose, well, farts cannot be controlled.
I think we have plenty of time before the next update.
Flight 405 to New Delhi is now boarding at gate 12.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy.
Hello.
I'm so excited to finally get there. Is everything charged? Yeah, I got it. Oh, did you hear that?